Hey guys, in today's video, I'll guide you through how to increase your Telegram download speed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your Telegram app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now, click on the three lines on the upper left hand side of the screen. After that, what you have to do is to click on these settings. As you can see here, after clicking on the settings, you have to scroll down and then you can see an option of data and storage. You have to click on that. After that, what you have to do is to click on storage usage. And then what you have to do is to click on clear cache. And then you have to click on clear cache again. Now the first step is done. Now what you have to do is to go back and then you have to click on data usage. As you can see here, and then what you have to do is to click on the mobile. And then in the bottom you can see auto download settings. You have to click on that, and then you have to set this custom slider to high. Now you have to go back, and then you have to click on Wi-Fi, and then here you have to click on auto download settings on the bottom, and then you have to set it to high as you can see here. Now what you have to do is to go back. After going back, what you have to do is to click on the Telegram Premium as you can see here. And if you upgrade to Telegram Premium, it gives you a lot of features. In that features, you will also get faster download speed. As you can see here, you will get faster download speeds. Now these are the 3 steps by which you can increase your Telegram download speed. So that's basically how you can increase your Telegram download speed. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.